Welcome to Shocking Natural Disasters Ever Caught on Camera. If you thought you've seen it all, think again. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most extreme weather events and shocking natural disasters ever recorded. From the Ice Age sweeping through Turkey, where a terrible snowstorm rages from Ankara to Istanbul, to the powerful 6.4 magnitude earthquake that rocked Ishikawa, Japan. We've got some jaw-dropping, shocking footage that you won't believe. You'll witness how nature's fury hit hard with a devastating bomb cyclone in British Columbia, and the lava flow from Iceland's volcanic eruption threatening the Blue Lagoon. These natural disasters caught on camera will leave you stunned. So grab your popcorn, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started with these mind-blowing moments of nature's fury in action. Today we have something truly jaw-dropping from Manila, Philippines. A massive fire broke out in a crowded port area, devastating dozens of homes and leaving hundreds without shelter. But what's even more chilling, this fire raged for hours, engulfing everything in its path, and it was all caught on camera. It started early in the morning in a densely packed shanty community. Flames quickly spread, fueled by the flimsy wooden structures. Emergency crews battled the blaze for a grueling 8 hours before it was finally brought under control. Sadly, the cause is still unknown, though faulty electrical wiring is often to blame for fires like this. What's even more unsettling is the memory of a similar disaster just a few months ago in Manila's Chinatown, where a 5-story building was reduced to rubble, leaving 11 people dead. Nature's fury caught on camera. But this time, it's not just the fire we're witnessing, it's the aftermath, the heartbreak, and the desperate search for answers. we're bringing you shocking footage from Iceland, where nature's fury is on full display. On November 21st, a volcano erupted near Istanbul, and this time we have something truly extraordinary. Thanks to drone technology, we're able to get up-close footage of the fiery path of lava as it spilled from the earth in a stunning red-orange cascade. The lava surged from a massive fissure, glowing bright in the night as thick smoke filled the sky. An otherworldly sight. The Icelandic authorities have had to build protective walls around nearby towns, including the famous tourist destination, the Blue Lagoon, to shield them from the melting flow. This eruption is the 7th since December 2023 and the 10th in just 3 years, proving that Iceland's volcanoes have no chance of slowing down. But here's the real kicker. It's all caught on camera. As we watch nature's power unfold, you can't help but feel both awe and terror. This is what we call nature's fury caught on camera at its most extreme. Stay tuned for more incredible footage of shocking natural disasters you won't believe. Hold on to your hats because winter weather is about to make its grand entrance in parts of Quebec and Ontario. Freezing rain and snow are forecasted to hit as we kick off the week and things are about to turn ice. The Environment Canada has issued a freezing rain warning for areas. That's right, we expect slick roads and dangerous conditions as the freezing rain begins to fall into the morning. Meanwhile, Ontario isn't escaping unscathed. From Ottawa to Sudbury, winter weather warnings are in effect, preparing residents for a white, slippery mess. What's even more shocking, the chaos that's about to unfold as these extreme weather events strike, power outages, car crashes, and travel disruptions. It's nature's fury at its finest, and it's all caught on camera. So, grab your snow boots and stay tuned, as the shocking natural disasters are just the beginning. Who knows what's next? Storm Bert as it wreaks havoc across the UK and Ireland. Over the weekend, a major incident was declared in Wales as torrential rain caused severe flooding. In the small town of Pontypridd near Cardiff, residents found themselves battling rising waters and using buckets to clear flooded homes and streets. Talk about a real-life disaster you never saw coming. One local, Victor from Pontypridd, summed it up perfectly. You always see it on the news in places like Spain, but then it happens to you. And you're like, wait, what? How do you handle this? As if that wasn't enough, a yellow warning of strong winds was issued for Northern Ireland. That's right, folks. Nature's fury is in full force, and it's all caught on camera. The storm has left many asking how we'll recover from this extreme weather event. And while the flooding may have subsided, the memories of the destruction will last. This is shocking footage of natural disasters that hit close to home.
Good.
has erupted for the 7th time since December 2023, and it's not holding back. Molten lava is flowing straight towards the famous Blue Lagoon, one of Iceland's most popular tourist spots. The eruption has forced the 1,500 thermal spa. Talk about a vacation interruption. While air travel is safe, authorities are warning of dangerous gas emissions in the area, including the nearby town of Grindavik. So, no big trip to Iceland's natural wonders for a while, folks. This volcano is a real bad boy, sitting right above a volcanic hotspot, and Iceland averages an eruption every 4 to 5 years. But this one, it's making a splash, literally and figuratively. Another fall storm on Friday. Vancouver Island and the south coast are in for more chaos as another area of low pressure develops onto Washington coast. Yup, it's that time of year again. As residents of Vancouver Island continue their cleanup from the earlier storm, they're facing the harsh reality that the storm's fury isn't finished. Cleanup efforts are underway, but with this new storm brewing, the fight is far from over. It's like the weather gods just can't stop throwing punches. Shocking footage shows the aftermath of the bomb cyclone. Fallen trees, flooded streets, and power outages. All part of this extreme weather event. And the worst part? This new storm threatens to make things even worse. Nature's fury continues, and it's all caught on camera. On November 26, 2024, a massive 6.4 magnitude earthquake, or 6.1 according to USGS, struck off the coast of Ishikawa Prefecture. The epicenter, right near the Noto Peninsula, a region still reeling from a devastating quake earlier this year. Talk about deja vu. The tremors were so powerful they were felt in nearby regions, but luckily no significant damage or casualties have been reported yet. Shocking footage shows the intensity of the quake as buildings sway and trains come to a halt. And while Japan's meteorological agency didn't issue a tsunami warning, it's still a reminder of the constant seismic risk in this nature's fury hotspot. Even more nerve-wracking, disruptions to telecom services and railway lines, and a close call at the Shika nuclear power plant, though officials confirm no radiation leaks. ice age sweeping through Turkey. A terrifying snowstorm is currently wreaking havoc from Ankara all the way to Istanbul, leaving the country in a frosty mess. Heavy snow has caused major disruptions, especially along the Ankara region, where traffic has come to a standstill. Imagine this: long queues of vehicles, snow as far as the eye can see, and road crews working overtime just to clear the icy nightmare. The Ministry of Transport is on the case, racing to remove the snow and rescue stranded drivers. But it's not looking like a smooth ride anytime soon. Shocking footage shows nature's fury in full force as snow piles up and roads become impassable. It's like Mother Nature hit the pause button on Turkey's transportation system.